How to change skin on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change skin on Fall Guys. Changing skin on Fall Guys is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open Fall Guys. Launch the Fall Guys game on your platform. Go to the customization menu. From the main menu, select the customize or outfit option. This is where you can change your character appearance. Select your skin. You will see different tabs or categories for customization such as outfits, costumes, face and colors. Browse through these categories to select the skin you want. Choose and equip your skin. Select the skin or outfit you want to use. If it's an item you have unlocked or purchased, you can equip it by selecting it and confirming your choice. Apply changes. Make sure to confirm or apply the changes to ensure your new skin is set. Return to main menu. After customizing your skin, go back to the main menu. Your character will now be displayed with the new skin in game. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.